Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived 3 industrious pigs, each with their own business. To manage their finances, they built different types of bookkeeping houses. The first pig, eager to start, constructed a house made of straw. This pig represented the manual bookkeeping system. Every day, he fervently scribbled transactions in dusty notebooks, sorting hefty ledgers that seemed to stretch endlessly. The pages were vulnerable to the smallest breeze, much like the straw that made up his house. The second pig, a bit more modern, built his house with sticks. He traded the pen and paper for spreadsheets. This method, though sturdier than the first, relied heavily on the pig's vigilance to ensure that all formulas were correct. Nevertheless, it required significant time to update, and if not carefully managed, could come crashing down with a simple miscalculation, similar to how the sticks might give way under pressure. Lastly, we have the third pig, the forward thinker who constructed his house with bricks, symbolizing a computerized bookkeeping system. His house stood strong and sophisticated, equipped with software that automatically updated financial transactions and churned out reports at the click of a button. This pig could relax, knowing his books were in perfect order, safeguarded by technology's precision and reliability. One day, a big bad wolf, representing financial audits and discrepancies, came prowling around. He huffed and puffed, and the straw house of manual bookkeeping collapsed under the stress, leaving the first pig exposed and scrambling to compile his loose papers. When the wolf approached the stick house of spreadsheets, it too wavered, struggling under errors and omissions, until it finally gave in. But the brick house? It stood firm. The computerized bookkeeping, with its secure and systematic approach, held up against the wolf's fierce attempts. The wolf retreated, defeated, and the third pig invited his brothers to share the peace of mind only modern technology could afford. And so, the 3 pigs learned a valuable lesson. While each bookkeeping method aimed to shelter them from the storm, only the solid foundation of a computerized system offered true security and efficiency. From that day forth, the pigs embraced the bricks of technology, ensuring their financial houses stood strong against any huff and puff that came their way.